139. Conic section. Today we are going to be learning about ellipses. Ellipses! If we have the equation x squared plus 9y squared minus 4x
We should start.
minus 72y plus 139 equals 0. What are the foci, vertices, and center of the ellipse? In order to solve this equation, you first have to put the equation in standard form. The standard form of an ellipse is quantity x minus h squared over a squared plus quantity y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. The first step to solve this is to group the x's and the y's. So once we do that, we'll get the equation x squared minus 4x plus 9y squared minus 72y plus 139 equals 0. Next, we're going to subtract 139 from both sides of the equation to get x squared minus 4x plus 9y squared minus 72y equals negative 139. Next, we're going to factor out a 9 from the y's. And we're left with the equation x squared minus 4x plus 9 quantity y squared minus 8y equals negative 139. Our next step is to complete the square. So what we must do is factor both equations. Oops, gosh dang it, I screwed up. Keith, maybe you should take over because you're the smartest one in this group. So when we complete the square, we must so the first thing we have to find is the center of the ellipse, and since the standard form of the equation is x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1, and the center of an ellipse is hk, the center would simply be 2, 4, because h is x minus h squared, so that's why h is 2, and k is y minus k squared, and k is 4. So that's how you get the center. Next, we have to find the foci of the equation, and the foci is c away from the center. So the two foci points would be h plus c, k, and h minus c, k. But you're probably like, wait, what's C? And in order to find C,
you have to use the equation c squared equals a squared minus b squared. And because you already know what a squared and b squared are, 9 and 1, you can put it c squared equals 9 minus 1. That means that c squared equals 8 and c equals the square root of 8. So now that you have c, you can find your foci. So your center point is 2, 4. And because the foci are c away from the center, you can now add c to h and subtract c from h to get your foci as 2 plus the square root of 8 k, or not k, 4, and 2 minus the square root of 8, 4. And those are your foci.
So now we need to find the vertices. And to find the vertices, you do h plus a k and h minus a k. Now, we know that a squared equals 9, and the square root of 9 is 3, so a equals 3. So if our center was 2, 4, the vertices would be 5, 4, and -1, 4.
So we have solved our problem.
Alright.
And this has just been an amazing experience for us and everyone in the studio. We really just worked our heart out and just
Expressed our passion for the game.
yes, it's just I can't even put it into words.
It meant a lot to us.
Yes. Thank you for watching Conics Sections with Keith and Quinn.